Good morning, homeowners. Today we're going to discuss a little promissory note that can pay off your debt and cancel your mortgage at www.cancelonemortgage.info. Here's the copy of the little promissory note. Okay, as you can see, here is the note number up there at the top. The loan that makes it legal right here, your information here, the amount of the debt here, right here is to whom the Wells Fargo, whom it is for. Terms and conditions are here. Now this terms and conditions, okay, let me read it to you. The payment will be made in monthly installments of how many dollars per month on the 6th day of each consecutive month starting the next month until obligation has been fulfilled. Okay, obligation has been fulfilled. Going back to obligation, this, if you can see it here correctly, this right here says for value received. Value received. You do not receive any value, so therefore you do not have an obligation. But it says for the obligation to be fulfilled. Okay, the payment can be obtained from the issuer at your address. And then you hereby give permission to the holder and the holder in due course of this promissory note to use this note in any way necessary as a negotiable instrument to be financially traded on, whereas such trade shall terminate the obligation herein. Okay, here's the signature. Here is medallion signature transfer stamp from the bank, and here's the date. Okay, and of course you've got the signature here and the acknowledgement from the notary. That's it, folks. That's all the little promissory note consists of, plus a letter of demand for payoff. So when they do not come and pick up your payment, that means that they have sold it and gotten their money up front, because banks are greedy. Okay? This is David Young at cancelonemortgage.info. That is cancel one, not O-N-E, but the numeral 1, mortgage.info. Have a good day, folks, and read that, and it will get your mortgage paid in 14 days. Okay? Thank you very much.